Welcome to this short discussion on the prayer of Saint Francis of Assisi. The first version of Meditation on Twin Hearts did not have the prayer of Saint Francis. Now, how did this study on the prayer of Saint Francis start? This short talk is designed to help us pay more attention to the words of the meditation, because there is meaning in every word, particularly the prayer of Saint Francis. Okay, first let's find out who was Saint Francis of Assisi. You know how people become saints, no? There are requirements. Okay? This is what you have in the meditation on Twin Hearts. But it was not originally like this. Do these 7 words have another meaning? So that's the 3 applications. First one, for healing yourself. Second one, for healing someone else. And third one, for blessing a specific place or the whole world. Okay, we have to acknowledge that without Master Choa's teachings and blessings, it would be difficult to expand our knowledge about the prayer of Saint Francis. Finished. So, Atma Namaste. Thank you.